react.
Okay, so we got intersection coming up. We're gonna do a left turner. Nope. Okay, good. We're back. Oh, dog. Oh, no, 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 no. What do you think happened? Here we go. Hector Alcy.
Situation that shows how dangerous even a moment of inattention can be.
He's pointing at your front. Oh, whoa. What are you doing, dude? Thankfully, he's got a dual sport bike, so hopefully he's going to go ahead and keep it upright. What the heck was that? So I don't know what he wants. So I think he's pointing at the front, and he's probably just trying to help him. Now, this is one of the big reasons why I want you guys to get a Bluetooth system. Yeah, you know, get whatever you want. We use Cardopack Talks. Link will be in the description for that. But get whatever you need, whatever you can afford. But this right here, taking your hands off the handlebars, pointing at things, having to get up close to somebody, you know, it's confusion. It's like, what are you talking about? I don't do sign language. Just talk. Talk to each other. He's probably helping him out, but it's not going to help this guy out. He gets screwed up a little bit. So I don't know what caused this part. He lost traction. He straight up lost traction. Look how far down that rear tire. Woo! I don't know what he's trying to do. There's no turn here. Hey, buddy. There's no turn here. You're going straight. I don't know what happened. Maybe some oil. Maybe he popped the tire because there's debris on the side. But he keeps it up as best as he can. And now we got screwed up even more. So we're trying to go. We're trying to go. And we're Flintstoning it, trying to stop. Thankfully, we didn't hit that fire hydrant that is in the middle of nowhere. Bonus points if you know what that pole is for. And we're going to slow down ourselves because here's the thing. He's probably crashed. We got our moto card right here, but this is the same one. So after a motorcycle crash, you have to remain calm. That's the number one, because if you crash, you can't help your buddy out. Remain calm, okay? Ensure your own safety. Very, very important. Jeremiah Halpin. Okay, let's take a look.
It's in a really difficult situation with very little time to react.
Okay, so we got intersection coming up. We're going to do a left turner. Nope. Okay, good. We're back. Oh, dog. Oh, no, 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 no. What do you think happened? What? How do you think he fell? Write it in the comments. Right now. Now. Do wish he was wearing more gear. Oh, look at all that damage. Look at all that damage. Write it in the comments. What happened? How did he crash? There's nothing that hit him. The dog didn't run, like, it didn't run into him. There's the doggo grabbing a fistful of brakes. So I see already a brown stage right here. So we weren't paying attention. We were originally in white stage, just kind of cruising along, maybe just kind of enjoying the music. Maybe we're tired. It's sunset, sunrise, whatever it is. We're in white stage, kind of zoned out. We should be in yellow stage at all times when we're on the motorcycle. The only time we're white stage is we're sitting on the couch watching Real Housewives of Orange County. And then orange stage right here is when something kind of pops out. You have no idea what's happening. But this thing came out of nowhere. So we're supposed to go from yellow stage to red stage. Red stage is when you actually do emergency braking or emergency swerving correctly. You do the appropriate response and actually execute it. Now, right here, if you do the inappropriate response, which is like panicking and panic brake or just doing nothing, rev bombing is one thing, honking the horn is one thing. Brown stage is a bad situation. So as soon as he saw this dog, his perception and reaction were terrible. So he went into brown stage. Anyways, here we go. So we're going down here, and we're going to go ahead and get some road rash. Now, his pants weren't originally ripped up like that. So make sure you get some gear. We have a link in the description, ddfmcrew.com/beginner gear. Revzilla has a lot of good beginner gear. They keep rotating what's available in there. It is an affiliate link, by the way, so it does help out the channel if you do buy gear anyway. So click that link first. So we're going to go ahead and get some road rash. Now, you're going to want to have a motorcycle jacket to prevent that skin from getting ripped off. I'd rather rip apart my jacket than my skin. And there's going to be that hip. So we got knee already impacting. Right now, we're going through mechanism of injury right now. So knee, hip, you got elbow, hand, and we're going to get shoulder and chest. There's not much on chest gear, but you have abrasion resistance on that gear. And you got a good rib cage, hopefully. So now we got the right arm, right leg, right knee, and now we're going to start sliding. Now, those hands are going to be burning a little bit. Those hands are going to be burning a little bit, but I'd rather them be burning a little bit than be ripping off my flesh. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and keep sliding. Nice shoes. And we're going to try to keep our body off the ground. Now, this is a natural human response. That is not him like thinking out loud like, I got to do this. No, that's a natural human response. Your body, just go ahead and fall forward. Just stand right here and fall forward. All right? Go ahead. Oh. You put your hands out. It's a natural human response. You're going to put your hands out, try to keep your core and your brain and your spine in alignment and not get damaged. So that's what he's doing right here. So don't think you're just going to naturally do this, because sometimes you might catch and start flipping. You're kind of screwed there. So the bike's going to keep sliding down the road, and here he's going to come up. And let's take a look. Let's look at his damage. Yeah, my beard actually protected me. It wasn't my hands. I'm sorry. So the only gear I was wearing was a helmet and gloves. The road rash caused something sucks, I guess. I really do wish I was wearing more gear. So get yourself some gear. DDFMcrew.com/beginner gear. Now let's take a look at his pants. Complete road rash. It would not be like that with with Kevlar lined or aramid fibers or leathers. Basically what you have in gear. Now he's gonna have road rash all over that right leg, on his groin. And his hand is now hurting from trying to lift it up. So he's got some musculoskeletal issues. Part of being a smart rider is acquiring and utilizing personal protective equipment. So make sure you grab yourself a jacket just like this one from RevZilla using the link in the description. It's an affiliate link. It helps me out. No extra cost to you. Plus, it lets RevZilla know that the DDFM crew is pretty
badass and they actually grab some gear. Anyways, click that link. I'll see you soon.
Mussolini.
Who doesn't accept lane speeding by bikers is capable of.
Okay. I don't know why they did that. Oh, terrible braking. Handlebars were turned when we slammed the brakes, so it caused us to dump the bike. That's what happened there. Keep your handlebars straight. Keep looking straight. Apply the brakes. You can look, but keep those handlebars straight when you apply the progressive brake pressure. Okay. So progressive braking right there. It's just squeeze, 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 squeeze. I get it. It was more of a panic, like, oh crap, something happened. But we can't be having panic brakes. Okay. Practice those braking. Practice. We're moving on. The lady apologized later. Okay, that's nice. Whoa. He lost his phone. You guys know why. She said she's sorry. She apologized. Now look at the situation. We're filming with a potato, but we're going to go ahead and get into this merging problem. We have a terrible line of sight problem right here, but that's going to be the biggest problem here. Now we're going to have to start to perceive. So we perceive something. We're going to go ahead and react, okay? And now we're going to go ahead and start squeezing that brake. It's just not going to be enough, okay? So there's nothing this rider could have done. He really could have done nothing. So remember, planning your ride, position for safety, locate those hazards, adapt to them, navigate. So you have total stopping distance. So we have perception, like we just talked about. Reaction is the moment you're starting to squeeze, and in between reaction and total stopping distance is braking distance. So the amount of time it takes you to actually brake to come to a stop. So progressive brake pressure is really going to be the thing that's going to get you to that point. So you're going to be squeezed. Let's go and get myself a little bit bigger. You're going to go ahead and start the squeeze, and that weight's going to transfer to the front, and you're going to squeeze some more, and then you're going to come to a stop. The goal is to not slam the brakes like in the previous video where that person just kind of dumped the bike and handlebars are turned. And that's what I'm saying is eyes where you want it to go. So if you're looking this way and you have your handlebars turned and you slam that brakes, you're going to fall down to the right, left, fall down to the left, all that stuff. So look straight. Apply the brakes. Now, you can look a little bit, but you need to keep those handlebars straight. So that's what I want you to do. You also need to keep an eye out for escape paths. Take a look at this. We got an escape path here. So maybe if he had to, he could have actually accelerated through this escape path. Okay, so and that's what I'm saying. If you have to, go ahead and swerve. Very important that you have multiple options because this is a red stage maneuver. You need to act or something's going to happen. You definitely don't want to go into the brown stage. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.